In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 4 best checked luggage bags that combine style, durability, and functionality for every type of traveler. From spacious compartments to sleek designs, these suitcases are built to make your journeys easier and more efficient. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Mixi M9276 Luggage Bag. The Mixi M9276 luggage bag is the perfect travel companion for both men and women. With its sleek 24-inch design, this suitcase features a gorgeous wide handle that not only looks stylish, but also provides an ergonomic and comfortable grip for effortless maneuverability. The 20-inch carry-on cabin version is ideal for quick getaways. Made from top-quality Covestro polycarbonate material, the M9276 luggage is incredibly durable and has a smooth finish that will withstand the rigors of travel. It also includes a special waterproof pocket to store wet items, keeping everything else dry and organized. One of the standout features of this suitcase is its mute spinner wheels. These wheels allow for a smooth and silent rolling experience, making airport strolls much more pleasant. Its sturdy 0.8mm aluminum alloy telescopic handle is multi-level adjustable, ensuring it suits all users' needs. The suitcase also comes with a TSA code lock for enhanced security, making it travel-ready for international journeys. You can rest easy knowing that the luggage has passed strict quality control standards and comes with a 3-year warranty, offering peace of mind for years to come. Designed with practical functionality, the M9276 has a clever wide balance structure to maximize space, ensuring your belongings stay neatly packed and easy to access. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Mixi M9276 luggage bag is a perfect blend of modern style, durability, and innovation. Number 3. Felemi Rolling Luggage. The Felemi rolling luggage is crafted from an all-aluminum magnesium alloy that combines style with durability. Available in sizes ranging from 20 inches to 30 inches, this suitcase offers a sleek and minimalist design, ideal for any traveler. The Aviation Grade 5 Series aluminum magnesium alloy ensures a high level of hardness and toughness, making it highly resistant to pressure, corrosion, and wear. This material is commonly used in optical instruments, aviation, and automobile parts, so you can trust its long-lasting performance. The luggage features a TSA Customs-coded lock, which offers added security while traveling, preventing damage from customs inspections. The multi-section aluminum alloy pull rod is lightweight yet strong, designed to withstand high-strength collisions. Its ergonomic design makes it easy and comfortable to maneuver. Equipped with precision roller bearings, the mute universal wheels allow for smooth and silent 360-degree rotation, ensuring effortless movement through crowded airports or streets. The impact-resistant metal wrap corners further enhance durability, protecting the suitcase from wear and tear. A key highlight of the Felemi rolling luggage is its spacious and well-organized interior. With adjustable partitions, it helps to keep your belongings neatly arranged and easy to access. The sealed waterproof feature ensures your items remain dry even on rainy days. Plus, the scratch-resistant footpad at the bottom of the suitcase keeps it protected from scuffs. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Felemi rolling luggage combines practicality, style, and durability in one reliable package. Number 2. Hanke H9861 Luggage Bag. The Hanke H9861 luggage bag offers a sleek and innovative design, perfect for modern travelers. This carry-on suitcase is available in 18-inch and 20-inch sizes, both featuring the latest 3R Generation 7MN narrow aluminum frame for enhanced durability and style. The suitcase is equipped with a full front opening design, allowing for quick and easy access to your items, making travel more efficient. One standout feature is the dedicated laptop compartment, designed to hold a 15.6-inch laptop securely and offering fast access during security checks. The suitcase also includes a TSA customs lock, ensuring that your belongings remain safe during travel. The Hanke H9861 is built to last, featuring a high-quality aluminum alloy frame that is both strong and lightweight. The alloy frame is reinforced with rivets to improve impact resistance, ensuring your suitcase can withstand the rigors of travel. The ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle is double thick for added strength, and it offers multiple adjustment points to suit different heights. This suitcase also comes with 8 mute universal wheels, designed for smooth and silent movement, making it easy to navigate through crowded airports. The YKK brand zipper has undergone extensive testing to ensure smooth and secure operation, with an explosion-proof design for added security. Inside, the suitcase is thoughtfully organized with multiple compartments, including a main clothing area, a laptop section, and additional pockets for small items. Made from environmentally friendly materials, the Hanke H9861 luggage bag offers both practicality and style for the modern traveler. Number 1. Mixi M9260 luggage bag. The Mixi M9260 luggage bag features an innovative design with a 7M narrow aluminum frame, combining style and functionality. Available in 18-inch, 20-inch, and 24-inch sizes, this suitcase is perfect for travelers who prioritize efficiency. One of its standout features is the front opening design, which allows for quick and easy access to your belongings without having to open the main compartment. This is especially helpful when going through security or during business meetings, saving you time and effort. The suitcase is constructed with a 3-layer bare polycarbonate composite structure, offering excellent compression resistance, elasticity, and durability. This makes it lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the demands of travel. The thickened aluminum alloy frame adds extra strength, ensuring that the suitcase can handle impacts and pressure with ease. Inside, there is a dedicated laptop compartment that can securely hold a 15.6-inch laptop, making it perfect for business travelers. The YKK brand zipper has been tested to withstand 9,000 slides, ensuring smooth operation throughout your trips. The TSA-approved lock provides added security, while the PVE rubberized mute spinner wheels offer a quiet and smooth rolling experience. The telescopic handle is made of double-thick aluminum alloy, providing strength and durability. It's adjustable with a 4-section tie rod, allowing you to set it to the desired height for easy handling. With its practical features and stylish design, the Mixi M9260 luggage bag is an excellent choice for those looking for convenience and reliability in their travel gear. There you have it, our top picks for the best checked luggage bags. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, these options are sure to meet your travel needs. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye.